Hey, how you doing, guys? I'm Chris. I'm the owner here at South Chicago Sunstoppers here in New Lenox, Illinois. Just to get you a little familiar with what we do here. We are a authorized expel shop. I've been tinting windows here we've been in business for about 6 years. Long time, very successful, very happy with how things are going. We have acquired paint protection installation. We also do ceramic coating, and we do window tinting. Now, we've been in the window tinting in this industry for close to 2.5 decades. I've been doing this for a long time. We just acquired, like I said, paint protection and ceramic coating to our arsenal here to help clients out and get more bang for your buck and make it a one-stop shop here. And now we do offer expel products. Real simple and painless. I'm gonna have you make sure that you're fully aware of what you're getting when you come here, because customer service, customer satisfaction is my number one and our number one thing here. So the first step I'd have you do is, you'd come in here, we'd get you this work order, right? You're gonna pick the type of film you're gonna use. We're gonna show the percentages that we offer, which are also behind me here on the board. All right, this is the XR line and our XR Plus line, okay? Once we get this filled out for you, we're gonna know what we're gonna do for you. We're gonna explain it a little bit thoroughly, all right? And by that time, we're gonna get your keys to your vehicle. We're gonna get you pulled in the back. You're gonna be able to have a nice seat, watch some TV, have something to drink. We have coffee for you, and make this process super easy for you. Let me show you around the back. All right, this is the area where we do the laser cuts with our plotter. We got the program set up, okay? We can get production and tint your car very fast, easy, and painless. All right, but we also can do, which a lot of shops can't do, but we actually pride ourselves in the fact that we can actually still hand cut your vehicle. So depending on your make and model, if it requires us to do some hand cutting, we absolutely can. If you got an antique car, older muscle car, something like that, we can definitely hand cut it and make it look perfect. Other than that, this is the area where we get our tint going and we get it plotted out. We have everything in stock all the time for anything auto. So after we plot the film out and get the laser cuts, we bring it right over here to this peel board. We get it laid out and we get it put on your car, nice, quick fashion. So if you guys are interested in getting your windows done, same day service, give us a call. Looking forward to helping you, getting you in and out. You guys have a great day.